Izakhamuzi zithi ukugqoza kwamanzi kwaqala ngo-2018 kwaqina kakhulu ngemuva kobhubhane i-COVID-19. Lo mphakathi ukhala nangokungahlinzekwa ngamaloli amathanga amanzi anele.
They send the water truck 1 hour away from Cradock, right? The water truck comes here, it fills, for instance, the hostel or sometimes the old age home, and then when it comes to us, there's no water, right? And then when the people come here for the water truck, sometimes they are very rude, they do not have the patience.
Izikhungo ezifana nezikole, amahostela nekhaya labadala kule ndawo zishayeke kakhulu ngokugqoza kwamanzi nokuphoqa izisebenzi zazo ukuthi ziyowakha kude.
Uhulumende efuneka sinika amanzi thina sipheke zitsho i-rules zekhampani esisebenzelayo. Thina funeka sifumana amanzi sipheke ukutya not siyowathutha ngaphandle. Benzima ke kwezi toilet abantwana funeka beflashe i-toilet abantwana bafuneka betheni kunuke the whole block ngoba kaloku akho fresh and imali ayikho kwa-department ezibebethetha njalo yokuthenga izinto zofumigate i-toilet.
Iziphathimandla zikamasipala zithi ukuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu kuyingxenye yenselele yokugqoza kwamanzi kule ndawo.
Amanzi esiwafumanayo ngaphansi komhlaba abamancinci kakhulu kunasebusika. Kukhona lento ke msasa siyazi yokuthethwa ngayo ye-global warming. Njengoba kushushu kwegqitha ixesha ebelikhona ngaphambili, amanzi wethu manciphile kakhulu, so iibhorehole zethu zifumana amanzi amancinci.
Umasipala uthi amadamu amaningi awanawo amanzi anele nokuholela ekutheni angafinyeleli kwezinye izakhamuzi.